Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Far Horizon game on your PC. Guys, first open up the any browser and just search for the Steam. Once you search for it, now the Steam website appear on the top, so simply open up the Steam website. Here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so click on this login option and here simply sign into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create an account. Guys, this is very simple and easy process. After that, just click on the install Steam you are seeing on the top, and here just download the Steam and install it into your PC, and this is also very simple and easy process. Then open up the Steam and log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Far Horizon. Now this game appear on the top, so simply click on this game to open it. Now here just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So if you want to purchase this game, just click on the option of add to cart, then click on the view my cart option, then click on the continue to payment option. And guys, here simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, now the game was added to your Steam library, and on the left hand side you will find the Far Horizon game. Just click on that, then click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.